Kain muna kami. Aga eh. Ganda ng view oh, guys. Look.
We are in Terminal 3. So over to the Wise, if you're traveling at hindi ka pa kumakain, bago ka pumasok ng gates, kumain ka na dito sa labas, sa taas. Dito sa may mga shops, mas maraming food dito. Meron din sa loob, pero mas marami dito. Tip, di ba? Let's go. As I was saying, meron ditong Subway, may Wendy's. Yun lang pala. Marami pang iba. Ayan o, meron pa doon. 1, 2, 3, CBTL, and meron pa doon sa gilid na yan. So, mas maganda dito sa taas kaysa sa loob. Tara. Pwede ka pa magpamasahe. May convenience store. Sarado yung binalot. Sarado pa. Kasi maaga pa. It's just 7 o'clock. There's a ramen place. Even. There's Pancake House and there's Shakey's. O, diba? Sabi sa inyo eh. Oh, and then there's Jollibee. See? Dami nga lang tao. Ang dami rin. Wendy's. Wendy's it is. Time check, it's 7:10 mga kaibigan.
In order mo for breakfast.
Yan, dami kasing tao sa McDo, Jollibee, etc. So, our choice is Wendy's. Yan, and pag nag-Wendy's kami, ako usually, at least, bacon mushroom milk. My favorite. Sarap to. Nag-change yung quality a bit, pero okay pa rin naman siya. Particularly the bun, pero it's still good. And fries. Walang coffee. So, doon tayo maghanap sa loob. But, yeah. Let's eat.
While you're eating, tanong ka saya, kailan ka huling nag-Boracay ba?
Nag-pray na kami pre-pandemic. I can't even remember the last time. So I'm very, very excited. Excited!
So, pagkadaong. So, pagdating natin doon, ano yung una mong gagawin? Interesting.
As usual, hahalik sa lupa.
Very lang yan.
Ganun ba siya? Sa space?
From space.
Wow.
Ikaw yung beach, yung sand.
Ako yung sand. After checking in, kakain kami kaagad. Because the flight is at 9, right? 10. So we'll be there around 12, I guess. So nasa hotel kami siguro around 1. I'm sure we'll be very hungry by then. So, kain ka agad, syempre.
Kain tayo sa Andox. Yung iconic na Andox. Alam ba yan?
Sa D-Mall.
Sige, kain ka muna dyan. Kain po. Hey. So, 2 years pa? 2 years pa tayo maghihintay din. 2 hours na lang. Then, parang around 11 o'clock pa yung flight natin. So, usually, ano ginagawa mo pampatay ang oras?
Nagkakape. Highlands. Not sponsored. Tapos, nagbabasa. And speaking of basa, I brought with me 3 books. Ito yung mga choice ko for this trip. From Manila to the World, as you can see, may plastic pa siya. From Paulo Mangahas. The Age of Umbrage by Jessica Zappa. Nakakatawa to, guys. Panoorin. Basahin niyo to. I've finished parang 2 chapters or 3 chapters, pero tawa ako ng tawa. And lastly, TED Talks. So, dalawang Filipino authors. Love Your Own.
1 year na
And
ata ito.
Napa. And then, Sleep. If I can find a good place to sleep. Ito, medyo okay naman. Yun. Ikaw?
Ako, I like people watching. Tsaka plain watching. Ano muna ako? Secret muna ako. Pakita ko mamaya. Mysterious something. So, 2 hours pa. Pahinga muna.
Nag-jacket? Hindi nag-check.
Final. Morning. Are we there yet?
Good morning, welcome aboard mga Pagatiklan.
Ay, silang PPO. Pero ano?
Southwest. Labas mo yung PDF natin.
Okay, so we are in the shuttle already. So if you're going to Boracay, I suggest that you book via Klook. Use my code, ito yung code, and book via Southwest. 2,200 for dalawa na yun. So very convenient. You just go out the airport and then proceed to the window, and then they will take you to the bus, to the shuttle. Then yun na. Round trip na yun, 2,295 na yun na, by the way. So, saan ka pa? Use my code, dito. That's it.
Let's wait for purple. Thank you, ma'am. 5-second video.
to the island na. Oh no! Let's go. Ito mag-swim dito. Oh my gosh. Ito yung trendy ko. And we're here.
Ako lang.
Hanap kami ng food.
I'm so hungry.
Time check. Ano oras na ba?
1:40. Ay, hindi tayo kita sa ano. Nakabutol tayo.
Oo, kaya na pa tayo bumabiyahe. At nakagutom.
Totoo.
Hanap kami ng mga kain.
Ayan, may McDo.
Check out. Ayan, potato corner. Kevin.
Dalawa po yan.
Ayun yung water.
Take 2 kasi walang mic kanina.
Haba ba yung sinabi ko mga 5 minutes?
Buti na lang.
May mga chismis pa naman ako about.
Buti na lang nawala yung mic. Kimi. And that ends our day 1. We are back in the room, obviously. And what happened during day 1? I felt like day 1 was a very long day, and we practically spent the whole day in Boracay, which is a good thing, di ba? Para kami nag-whole day sa Boracay. So do the same. We took the 10:30-ish flight from Manila Airport, Terminal 3, and we arrived at the hotel at 1 p.m. So, sakto, di ba? And if you're lucky, you'll be able to check in early. We were lucky. We stayed at Henan. So, we're staying in Henan now. And we were able to check in early. So, thank you, Henan, for the wonderful service. Speaking of Henan, we also swam in their pool, the iconic pool. If you know, you know. Ang ganda because the water was very warm. And we had fun lounging by the beach. Di ba?
Alam kaya nila yung kwento about Henan.
If you know, you know. Look it up.
Ang aga namin nagising kanina. Ano sa tayo gumising? Alas 6 a.m. Kasi we were expecting na traffic going to Naiya 3 kasi 'di ba after a long vacation, babalik ng mga tao dagsa. So good thing hindi crowded sa Naiya and smooth yung pagpunta namin doon hanggang sa boarding. Good job din sa Cebu Pacific kasi sinunod talaga nila yung grouping. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4. Diba? Kapag may ticket kayo, check nyo yun before before kayo pumila kapag nag-start na yung boarding kasi medyo off kapag hindi pa natawag yung group nyo, punta na kayo doon. Tapos, ang smooth din ng pagdating namin here sa Henan because we booked yung service ng Southwest through Klook. So, yung service na yon is from Katiklan Airport hanggang Jetty Port. And then, from Jetty Port, sila na bahala magbayad ng environmental fee, other fees, yung boat. Sila na bahala, upo ka lang doon. And then, sakay ka na ng boat. Pagbaba mo ng boat, there's a Southwest guy waiting for you. Tapos, i-guide na kayo doon sa van. And then, yung van will door to door. Hatid kayo door to door talaga yung term ko. Ihatid kayo dun sa mismong hotel nyo. So, that was a good experience saka good package na something baka gusto nyong kunin. Yeah. We'll just share the details siguro here. I'll paste it here. And then, so we swam sa Henan pool. Ang warm ng water, love it. And then in front of the Henan Regency, may mga umbrellas. Tapos may mga, ang tawag doon, bench. Mga chair. Mga lounge chair ba yun? Lounge chair. Doon sa beachfront. So, for lang yun, for guest ng Henan, which was pretty nice. Kasi tapos may nagabantay ng gamit. I love it. Tapos doon, nakahiga lang ako doon. Tapos nag-swimming kami while admiring yung sunset sa Boracay. Ang ganda-ganda. Ang dami kasing paraw. So, very artsy-artsy. Yes. Then we had the simple dinner lang right after. Good day. And ang itim ko na. Yung mo, tignan nyo, compare sa mukha ni Alvin, ang puting ko. Yeah. Puting-puti ko pa naman.
Anyway, that was day 1. It has been a hot minute, Boracay. I haven't seen Boracay for a while, but it is as beautiful as ever. I love it. And ang ganda ng sunset, like I said. So, we have two full days, 2.5, going back to Manila on Thursday. So we have 2 full days pa ahead. So I'm quite excited. So abangan nyo yung day 2. Meanwhile, we'll sleep and looking forward to breakfast tomorrow. May kasama ng breakfast yan. Yay! See ya! Like and subscribe and watch out for the next one. Bye guys.